Today in this video I show you how to make iPhone camera full screen permanently. For this you have to open camera app. Now you have to click on this arrow icon and then click on this 4:3 ratio. Now select 16:9 ratio for making your camera in full screen. Now as you can see iPhone camera is in full screen, but this is not permanent. If I close my camera app and restart my device, again open camera app, then you can see my iPhone camera is not in full screen. To make full screen permanent, you have to select 16:9 aspect ratio and then close camera app, open settings app, scroll down to find camera and open it. Now you have to open this preserve settings. In this you have to turn on camera mode toggle and then turn on this creative control toggle. By turning these toggles on, your iPhone camera full screen will remain permanent. You can see if I restart my device again and open camera app, my iPhone camera is in full screen. So this is how you can make iPhone camera full screen permanently. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.